Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you the updated way to check your credit score on Credit Karma in 2025. Totally free, fast, and beginner friendly. First, head over to creditkarama.com or open the Credit Karama mobile app if you got it installed. If you don't have an account yet, hit sign up and enter your email, phone number, and credit password. You will also need to verify your identity by answering a few security questions or entering the last four digits of your SSN. Once you're in, you will land on your dashboard right at the top. You'll see your TransUnion or Equifax credit source, updated weekly. These are VantageScore 3.0 models, which are great for tracking change over time. To dive deeper, tap on either score. You will now see a full breakdown of what affects your score, like payment history, credit card usage, age of credit, inquiries, and more. A section will show whether you're in good, fair, or poor standing and offer personalized tips to improve. Once alerts, go to the Settings tab and enable credit monitoring. You'll get notifications if anything new pops up, like a hard inquiry or a new account. And that's it. You know, the update way to check your credit score and keep track of change using Credit Karama in 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you got any questions. Catch you in the next one.